Managing complex development specs can be overwhelming, but after nearly 2 decades in this field, I found a trick that helps me procrastinate less and stay organized. This is taking larger tasks and reducing them into smaller, more manageable chunks. Today, we're diving into to-do comments, a special type of note that you can leave yourself. And what makes it special is that it appears in a task list. You can then double click and it'll take you right to the relevant code. This feature makes my life so much easier, especially when I'm jumping from client to client and task to task, which I'm often doing in my day-to-day. By default, the task list is hidden. So first you have to enable it. You can do that in Visual Studio by clicking View, and then it's right here, Task List. Click on it, and now I have some in my project loaded up from my last save. All I have to do to open up the code then is double click on it in the task list. It'll open up whichever file it's in, put me right to that line of code. If I go ahead and double click on this one, which is in the same file, it's going to then move the cursor to that line. And then this one is in a completely different file. If I double click here, it's now going to open up that file. Let me just quickly show you how to add your own. So we just // like a normal comment, to do, and then another example. Now when we save, since it's in the project, it's going to update this task list. And so I can double click here, going to bring me to there, double click on my new example, and it's going to bring me to there. If you found this helpful, there's more tips and tricks on the channel.